Riza. I'm from Francisco Ibarzaga Memorial School. My research is Alibangbang leaves Philostigma malabaricum as an alternative natural souring agent. Sourness in food is mainly caused by organic acids such as citric acid and malic acid, which give food its sour flavor. These natural acids are commonly found in fruits and leafy plants and are important in enhancing taste and balancing flavors in dishes. According to Ribeiro 2020 and Zhang 2022, in Filipino cuisine, sour taste plays a very important role in traditional dishes such as sinigang. Common natural souring agents include tamarind, calamansi, and green mango. However, exploring alternative natural sources is important to promote sustainability and the use of locally available plants. Alibangbang Philostigma malabaricum is a plant that grows abundantly in tropical areas, including many parts of the Philippines. In our local community, alibangbang trees are common and easily accessible. People in the community sometimes use young alibangbang leaves in cooking because of their slightly sour taste. The plant is known for its butterfly-shaped leaves and its ability to grow in different soil conditions with minimal care, according to BAT 2021. Research on edible leafy plants shows that many contain natural compounds that contribute to flavor and nutritional value, according to Kumar 2021. Because alibangbang is abundant in the area and already used informally by community members, it is important to further explore its potential as an alternative natural souring agent. This study focuses on evaluating the taste acceptability of dishes prepared using alibangbang leaves compared to a commercial souring agent. The results may help promote the use of natural, eco-friendly, and locally sourced ingredients while encouraging students to apply scientific investigation in real-life situations. This study uses a quantitative experimental design with a blind taste test method. Two dishes will be prepared. Dish A, prepared using powdered alibangbang leaves, and Dish B, prepared using a commercial souring agent. The dishes will be evaluated by 10 respondents using a 5-point Likert scale. Step-by-step procedures in preparation of alibangbang leaf powder. First, collect fresh young alibangbang leaves. Second, wash the leaves thoroughly with clean water. Third, drain and air dry the leaves. Fourth, dry the leaves using a food dehydrator or sun drying method until crisp. Fifth, grind the dried leaves into fine powder using a blender or grinder. Sixth, store the powder in an airtight container. The results of this study showed that alibangbang leaves can be used as a natural souring agent for Filipino dishes like sinigang. Data from 10 respondents, including teachers, parents, and students, showed that dishes made with alibangbang leaf powder got high ratings in taste 4.1, overall acceptability 4.0, and overall preference 4.1. The commercial souring agent got slightly higher scores, but the difference is small. This means that alibangbang leaves are a good alternative to commercial souring products. The results suggest that people are open to using local plants as ingredients in cooking. The high acceptability of alibangbang leaves shows that natural and locally available ingredients can be used to make food taste good while being healthy and eco-friendly. This also helps students learn how to experiment with plants and understand how they can be used in cooking. The sour taste of alibangbang leaves comes from the natural acids in the young leaves. Using powdered leaves helps spread the flavor evenly in the sinigang, which made it taste better. Also, people are used to sour taste in traditional Filipino dishes so they could enjoy the flavor. The commercial souring agent was slightly preferred because its sourness is very consistent and strong. Other studies also showed that natural acids in plants make food taste sour and good. Ribeiro 2020 and Zhang 2022 said that acids like citric and malic acid affect how sour food tastes. Kumar 2021 found that leafy plants have natural compounds that add flavor and nutrition. Those studies usually look at fruits or processed foods in the lab, but this study used alibangbang leaves in a real Filipino dish and asked people in the community to taste it. This makes the study more practical for everyday cooking. Based on the results of this study, alibangbang leaves are an acceptable natural souring agent with taste, overall acceptability, and preference ratings comparable to a commercial souring product. The leaves can be practically used in preparing Filipino dishes like sinigang, providing a local, eco-friendly, and a healthy alternative for home cooking. This shows that alibangbang leaves can serve as a sustainable ingredient while allowing students and cooks to explore the use of local plants in food preparation. To improve this research, future studies can include a larger number of respondents from these different communities to get more comprehensive results. Researchers can also test other parts of the alibangbang plant, such as stems or mature leaves, and compare their souring potential. Additional variables such as different cooking methods, types of dishes, or the nutritional content of alibangbang leaves can be explored to expand knowledge on its practical use as a natural souring agent. This can help other researchers develop new studies on local plants and their applications in cooking and food science.